Hey, let me show you all game turbo settings on the Redmi Note 15. So first of all, if you are wondering where it is, so we can find it in the security application by swiping up to open the toolbox. Now we can find the game turbo. And as you can see over here, when we go into the right upper corner, so first of all, we can just turn it on. We can find some in-game shortcuts, content recommendations. I will recommend you to turn it off. We cannot turn it off? Okay, we can. Remove added games from the home screen, so it's useless. We can uninstall games. This is good. We can add the home screen shortcut, and we can also add games manually. Now for performance, we can actually check the performance mode, so the Wi-Fi optimization and optimize touch controls. And also there is the overheating issue, so we can also turn it on. That's useful. Mi Wi-Fi speed boost, lower screen brightness automatically. I'm not sure, I'm gonna turn it off actually. There we go. And the do not disturb mode, and in the additional settings some individual games, and that's pretty much it.